Okay, it's the next morning, and I've been looking online for pulleys because my thought process is this pulley's doing two different things. Before I chowdered it up, one is it's going down here and it's creating. So I think I can see a seal right there. It's creating a seal. So this part, hang on, you can't see it. See how this part right here rubs right here? And this, there's a seal in there. So it's keeping a seal because the grease comes in here and then comes out down in this cavity and would push up, but this would hold it in there. Then obviously the other thing it's doing is it's a pulley. You zoom me all out. So my thought is, so this is going to be almost impossible to find unless I buy it from Kubota. Thought is I can learn how to weld or get somebody to weld this and cut this off all the way around here. Slap that on there. So now the greasing part is handled. And then have to maybe put another pulley on top of it. Okay. Did it off camera, but you see I took the grinder and just cut me two little access points here for this two jaw. Let's see what happens. I thought I just saw it barely right there. It looked like it maybe was coming up. Although we're tearing out right here. Open up the garage door. Put some heat on it. tension on it again. But I can't put any more because it's starting to tear out right here. So try the heat again. Okay, so since the puller ain't working right now, ultimately what we're trying to do is reduce the grip on this, so I've got another idea I'm going to try. You can see I've been trying the puller and I'm running out of places to grab onto, so I'm going to try the chisel. See if I can come at it from the side and just pry it apart. I doubt this will work, but running out of ideas here, and I don't have a torch, so I'm gonna try to cut these bolts off and then beat it through. I already tried to round it off. Okay, you can see I've got them all off except for that one. I had to come at it straight down. Now let's see if I can chisel the rest of it off. Yeah, that's gonna have to be run through the die, but whatever. All right. Since this is starting to get ridiculous, jeez. Can't tell. All right, I'm not giving up, but I'm taking a break from this thing because I've spent a lot of time jacking with it. And I've just lost interest for now. It's just getting on my dang nerves, and it's I'm gonna do something stupid to get that pulley off. That pulley right there, that little son of a gun. So I'm gonna let this sit. And what I'm going to do, turn my attention to that. I was going to show you this. This is the little lean-to near the back of the property. But that deck was, where's my finger? It was right here, like one edge was here and the other edge was up on this block. And it was sitting kind of at an angle. and that's where it's sat for over 20 years, probably 25. So right here is where I put it, and I haven't given up on it. It's just got frustrated, and since we're in this lockdown thing, I really can't go look for parts and tools, so I stuck it in here. I don't know if you can see it. This is like crap I'm working on. That's fixed, but that's another free pile thing I'll work on at some point. But I've got it sitting there. I've got the little covers there. All the bolts and nuts are in that box. And it's just sitting right here. And what I'm doing is I'm just watching eBay for parts, because the more I think about it, it's going to be kind of hard to rig up the pulleys. So if I can find 2 pulleys, then I'll get back to it. If that pulley's bad, I think that one's pretty easy to fix. These 2 are kind of not standard. So I haven't given up on it. Just almost crashed. I haven't given up on it. I'm just taking a break.